morning, welcome back to another episode of Bassing with Sasha. In today's episode, I've actually taken a drive out to Homestead Dam. I'm taking a different approach to this dam. I'm actually going on the dam wall side, and let's see if we can't catch them. So wish me some luck, and I'll check you there. Okay, first spot, I'm actually on the dam wall side, giving it a little bit of a different approach this time. Usually I always fish that bank down there. Yeah, let's see if we can't catch ourselves our first fish. I don't know if this bank is going to produce anything, but we might as well just give it a rip. Sorry about the wind noise, guys. First cast, guys, first cast. That's a good bass. On that provoke jerkbait. It's a good bass. Good first fish. Good first fish for me at Homestead Dam. Good first fish. It's not the biggest, but hey, fish is a fish. Okay, let's get this guy unhooked. I just wanted to actually take a photo. I haven't had a bass on in quite a while, but there you have it, first bass of the day. It's not the biggest. I would say it's about 700 to 600 grams, maybe even 800. Okay, let's put her back. Awesome, first cast even of the day. That's so cool. There she goes. Then I cranked him on this American shad. There's one, there's another. I actually thought I was snagged. I honestly don't know how deep it is here. Let's just chuck a Texas rig quickly. Cable is going to frustrate me. Let's move to the next spot. Wow, it's like super windy. Very honest. Okay, so it's been, I would say, about an hour that I've been fishing. It is ultra windy here. I have caught that one fish. That one fish came off a provoke jerkbait. That's the American shad color. I'll leave it linked down below if you guys do want to buy that specific bait. I've also been throwing around a Bandito bug Texas rig unpegged. So I'm also throwing that wacky rig. Also nothing yet. Let's get back into it and let's hope that I can crank onto some more fish today. Conditions to be right, you know. A little bit more protected, yeah. Dead bobble. You know, just a dead bobble, just chilling here. It's a bit more grassy this side. Quite a few lily pads as well. Okay, so I'm back at the car. I even was considering of going home, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna stick it out. I doubt that the wind is gonna die down, but I'm taking one rod with me now. I'm actually going light. Gonna take my spinning setup and I'm gonna be throwing that wacky rig around. I'm gonna make my way up the bank just to see if I can't catch something off this bank all the way along. But yeah, the wind is driving me a bit crazy at the moment. It's not comfortable fishing in this type of wind, especially not for you guys. You guys can't even hear me most of the time. But yeah, taking my one rod with, and I'll check you guys back at the water. Let's go, one rod, one reel. Let's go. This place is ultra packed. There's thousands of people here. So I have taken my other tackle box with just in case I want to throw something different. Now I've got a small rod, foot on there. About the same size as what I caught earlier. Yeah. Great little fish. Nice. Cool, man. I'm really stoked now. Happy days. Let's release her. Cool. On that senko. She gave me a bit of a fight. There she goes. Okay, I am done for today. I've walked, I wouldn't say the whole bank of that one side, but I did a good stretch there. I still caught that one on a senko with a little weighted hook. I'll leave all the baits that I caught fish on, well, the two fish I caught, but I'll leave those baits linked down below. Hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll check you guys on the next episode of Bassing with Sasha.